Hello friends, I want to show you how I start my seeds. I start my seeds with a method called winter sowing, and to do that I take any container that I can make drainage holes in the bottom, drainage holes in the bottom and ventilation holes in the top. Yes, I drill those with a drill. Then I cut the container if needed around to make a spot for my soil, okay? And why do I do this? I do this because it makes hardier plants. My plants also do not need to be hardened off. I am saving space inside. I don't need, so I can start my tender annuals, because basically this method can do you can do most seeds with this method except for tender annuals. Then once you get your seeds planted, you can take your duct tape, and I prefer a China marker, and I number my containers, and then I keep a list. That way I can use this container year to year and not have to be committed to the specific cultivar that I put in this jug. Let's see, what else can I tell you? Okay, they don't have to be hardened off. They are hardier plants. They will not be leggy because they're not chasing artificial sun. They will produce better produce. This is not a mini greenhouse. This is an environment for cold stratification that is protected. You could, in theory, put these inside of a cold frame and it would be like 1.5 coverage, maybe double coverage, I guess. But yeah, this is how I start my seeds. Currently, I have about 130 of these containers, and I have a coffee shop saving them for me every day, plus family members and friends. And if you want to save them for me too, I will come get them from you. So yeah, this is how I start, and hopefully I will be back to update you with a bunch of progress on my seeds soon, and that they'll be super beautiful. Oh, today I planted leeks, American flag leeks. I planted these last year, actually in this bed eventually, and they did pretty good, and we ate them all. So anyway, I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful day, and happy gardening.